Hello, this is Kirby Repko. Welcome back to this series on Cosmos DB. Today we're going to set up a .NET application really quickly that will read, write, and delete from your Cosmos DB. Now, before we go any further, I need some input. For my videos, what backgrounds do you think look better? Do you think this gray looks okay? Do you prefer this brick background?
Would you like this background better with the sea rushing by behind me?
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get an application up and running really quickly that writes and deletes and reads from your Cosmos DB. So go into your Cosmos DB, and the first thing we want to do is click on Data Explorer. And if you haven't already set up a database or a collection, you should see nothing over in this left-hand pane here. I have no databases set up. You can create one here, or simply go to the Quick Start blade, and under number 1 it says create an items collection. This will actually create a database and an empty collection for you, so I'm clicking that. Now let's just go see the results of that action. Over in Data Explorer, we will now see a database called To-Do List, a collection called Items. It is empty because if we click the documents, we can see that nothing is actually in this collection. So that's step 1. So step 2 is to download a solution file so you can actually run a program. Now you can do this in .NET or .NET Core or some of these other options, but let's go ahead and run it for .NET. So we click the download button, which I've already done, and then you're going to open up your solution. So I'm double clicking on the solution, and it's going to open up Visual Studio for us. Then it'll open up the solution. And look over to the right, if you have this showing your Solution Explorer, you're going to see the different files. So you can jump in there and see how this application is written in order to access Cosmos DB, including the Cosmos DB name and key that you need for that. But right now, all we have to do is, to run this, is Control F5, so let's do that. And it's going to bring up in a browser window this very simple application that will be a to-do list that we can add to. So there's nothing here, otherwise that would be displayed. So we'll say create new. Let's just say practice music, and 3 times a week type of thing. Then we'll say create, and you can see that listed here. Now let's go over to our Data Explorer again and click on the database, the to-do list, the collection items, and then the documents. Now you're going to see it created a document here. If we click that, it actually has the data that we just entered into it. And you can also delete, of course. So, but I wanted to show you this because it shows you how to actually get going with application code. And how to do it really quickly without having to start from scratch. And then of course you can build on that from here. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.